Clear that there is a broad consensus on GST in the country, the government released the draft of the GST bill. Here's how it envisages creation of a single unified market in the country by subsuming most indirect taxes.
The implementation of the landmark goods and services tax has inched closer. With states reaching a broad consensus on GST, the government has released the draft of the bill. It is hoping to implement GST Act from April next year. The key points of the GST draft include all online purchasing will attract GST. The liability to pay GST will arise at the time of supply. The model GST law has also suggested a jail term of up to 5 years and fine for violation of GST. The draft also provides for constitution of a National Goods and Services Tax Appellate Tribunal by the centre on the recommendation of the GST Council. The model GST law pegs threshold annual turnover for levy of the tax at Rs 10 lakhs. The limit will be Rs 5 lakhs in Northeast. The government has also sought comments from all stakeholders on the draft of the GST bill. Revenue Secretary Hasmukh Adhia tweeted, "We request all stakeholders to give their suggestions or comments to Secretariat of Empowered Committee of FMs and to the Finance Ministry." On Tuesday, the Finance Minister declared that virtually all states have supported the idea of GST except Tamil Nadu, which has some reservations. On Tuesday evening, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha met the Prime Minister and conveyed her apprehensions regarding GST's impact on financial autonomy of states. The Finance Minister said that two contentious issues about a revenue-neutral rate and dual control of state and centre on certain taxation would be ironed out at a meeting scheduled in July, when the Empowered Committee will meet again. The government has also allayed fears of loss of revenue to states in first 5 years of GST by assuring them that they will be adequately compensated. All states have voiced opposition to Congress's proposal of fixing rate of GST and including the same in the GST bill. The government aims to introduce the GST Constitution Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha in the monsoon session of Parliament. The recent Rajya Sabha polls have provided some muscle to the ruling party to get the bill approved. GST will subsume excise, service tax and local levies and will provide for uniform taxation across the country. Its implementation will widen the tax net and it will be very difficult for companies to escape paying taxes. Newsnight Desk, DD News.